Have you ever used a microwave, driven a car, or worn a smartwatch? Chances are you've already used embedded systems without even realizing it. In this video, we'll break down what embedded systems are, how they work, and why they matter in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So, what exactly is an embedded system? An embedded system is a tiny computer system designed to do one specific job inside a larger device. It's not your typical desktop or smartphone. Instead, it's built directly into machines like washing machines, smart thermostats, or car engines. Its job? To sense, process, and control things automatically. Let's look at some real-world examples of embedded systems in action. At-home microwave ovens, washing machines, smart TVs. In cars, airbag systems, anti-lock brakes, engine control. In healthcare, heart monitors, MRI machines. In gadgets, smartwatches, fitness trackers, digital cameras. They're everywhere, silently working behind the scenes. Here's how an embedded system works. It follows a simple input process-output cycle. First, sensors collect data from the environment. Then, the microcontroller processes the data. Finally, actuators perform actions, like turning a motor or displaying info on a screen. All this happens in real time, often in milliseconds. What makes embedded systems unique? Here are their key features. Specialized, designed for one task. Efficient, uses minimal power and memory. Real-time, responds immediately to inputs. Reliable, built to work for years. Compact, fits in small spaces. That's why they're perfect for devices like drones, pacemakers, or GPS systems. Let's break down the basic components of an embedded system. Microcontroller, the brain that runs the program. Sensors, detect light, temperature, sound, and more. Actuators, perform actions like movement or alerts. Memory, stores the program and data. Software, controls everything using code. These parts work together to automate tasks in real time. Why should you care about embedded systems? Because they power the future of technology. Whether it's smart homes, autonomous cars, medical robots, or Internet of Things, IoT, devices, embedded systems are everywhere. And learning them can open doors to careers in robotics, aerospace, automotive tech, and more. Now that you know what embedded systems are, start looking around. From your home to your car, they're quietly running the show. If you enjoyed this beginner's guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech explained simply. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.